The Ascent features an all-new direct-injection turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine. Powerful and efficient, it's a big part of what makes the Ascent so capable. And it can go almost anywhere because every Ascent has 8.7 inches of ground clearance and X mode with hill descent control in addition to Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive.